Someone watched a video exactly like this one last week. They had plans for this weekend. They had a message left unread. They meant to reply to tomorrow. They're not alive today. You are. Right now, in this exact second, you are breathing. Your heart is beating without you telling it to. And this video reached you while you still have time to do something about it. That's not nothing. That's everything. Give me a few minutes. This might be more important than you think. We spend so much time looking for signs from Allah, a feeling in our chest, a dream at night, an answered dua we've been waiting years for, and we forget the most obvious sign of all. You woke up today. Your name wasn't the one called back to Allah last night. Somewhere in this world, right now, there are people who had plans for tomorrow and didn't get it tomorrow. People who thought they had more time to fix things, to pray properly, to say sorry, to change. And you're still here. This video isn't reaching some hypothetical future version of you. It's reaching the exact version of you that Allah chose, on purpose, to keep alive today, while others weren't given that same chance. That's not random. That's not luck. That is a sign nobody can argue you out of, because you are living proof of it right now, in this very moment. Every single reminder that reaches you before your time is up is not a coincidence. It's mercy with a deadline quietly attached to it. Allah could have let this day pass like every other ordinary day. He could have let you scroll straight past this exact video without a second thought, the same way you've scrolled past 100 others. Instead, it stopped right in front of you. That's Allah saying, without words, I'm not done with you yet. You still have time to fix what you've been avoiding for months. You still have time to pray the prayer you keep delaying until later. You still have time to ask forgiveness for what's been sitting heavy on your chest. The thing you think about right before you fall asleep. Time given by Allah is never wasted time. It's not filler, it's an open invitation handed to you again today, whether you asked for it or not. Here's the uncomfortable truth nobody likes to sit with. You might not get another moment exactly like this one. Not because Allah stops sending reminders, He never stops, but because none of us are promised the tomorrow where the next one arrives. People die mid-sentence, mid-plan, mid-scroll, mid-argument, I'll fix it next week. Life doesn't pause to let you finish your excuses first. So, when a reminder like this reaches you while you're still here, still breathing, still capable of praying, still capable of change, treat it like it might genuinely be the last one you get. Not out of fear that paralyzes you, but out of an urgency that moves you. The kind of urgency that makes you actually stand up and pray instead of just feeling something warm in your chest for 30 seconds and then forgetting it by tonight. You don't need to overhaul your entire life in the next 10 minutes. Nobody's asking you to become a different person by tonight. You need to do one thing, just one, with the time you were just handed. Make the prayer you've been putting off since this morning. Say the istighfar you've been avoiding because some part of you doesn't feel ready yet. Forgive the person you've been holding a grudge against for months, just in case today ends up being closer to the end than you think. Being alive to hear this reminder is Allah's gift to you, specifically today. Don't let it pass through you the way everything else on this screen does scrolled, watched, forgotten. In 30 seconds, let this one actually land. This video reached you because you're still here, and Allah still has something for you to do with that time. Comment, Alhamdulillah, if you're grateful for the day you've been given right now, this second, and if there is someone you know who's been taking their time for granted, coasting through life like tomorrow is guaranteed. Send this to them. They might not get another reminder, like this one. Allah Hafiz.